Whose birthday is it?
Me.
How old are you?
3.
3 years old?
Yeah. I'm not 3 years old.
You're not 3 years old? How old are you?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Yesterday you were 2? You gonna have a birthday party? You gonna have cake?
Yeah.
You gonna blow out the candles?
Yeah.
What do you want for your birthday? You want a doll? Princess doll? No? Pink iPad? Bicycle? No? Play with your oatmeal?
Yes.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.